How to add text and adjust duration for Instagram Reels. Once you're on your record screen, go ahead and hold down that record button to record your content. Once you're finished, go ahead and let go of that button, and then click on the preview button. From this screen, you're going to click the double A in the top right corner. This is where you will add your text. You have a full keyboard and multiple options when it comes to style, font, and color. You'll also notice on the left-hand side that there's a slider. This will adjust the size of your text. Once you're happy with your text, you'll click out and you can adjust the size and the location. Now to adjust the time, click on the button in the bottom left corner. That is your text. Use the slider tool to adjust where you want your text to start and stop. You can add more text and repeat the same process. Again, you can adjust the size and the location once you've typed it out as well. Once you're done and you've previewed to make sure everything is where it needs to be, hit next and you're done.